Hello, dear friends! Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! I'm glad to see you today on my YouTube channel, Russian for Everybody. And today we are going to learn the difference between two Russian popular verbs. Смотреть and видеть. I think that everyone understands that these verbs are, of course, very important for our everyday communication. That's why I think it's a very good topic for today's lesson. So, let's get started. So, how the Russians use these verbs? Смотреть или видеть. And the first verb, смотреть, which can be translated into English like to look or to watch. We use with the accusative case. So, after смотреть, we use objects that answer the questions что, на кого или на что or во что. So, I wrote you in brackets all possible questions and prepositions that can be used with these verbs. So, after смотреть, we can use the noun without any prepositions or with prepositions на or в. Like look at something or look in something, like in English, like the same as in English almost. So how we use this verb? The first meaning, we use this verb if you look to focus and concentrate on something. Example. Моя кошка любит смотреть в окно. My cat likes to look through the window. Of course, when we like to do something, we concentrate on this action. So that's why we should use here the verb смотреть. And the second meaning of the verb смотреть is you watch something in action or moving. Like ты часто смотришь телевизор is the third example. Do you often watch TV? So again, my three examples to the verb смотреть. Моя кошка любит смотреть в окно. So the cat concentrates on the action that it likes to do. That's why we use the verb смотреть. The second example. Почему Иван так на меня смотрит? Why is Ivan looking at me in such way? Also, you see, Ivan concentrates on me. That's why we should use here the verb смотреть. And the third example. Ты часто смотришь телевизор? Do you often watch TV? Well, the second meaning. You watch something in action or moving. Of course, when we watch TV, something happens on the screen. That's why we use the verb смотреть. So, смотреть, it's the verb that we use always with active action. So, it's very active verb. And the second verb, which I wrote here, is видеть. Видеть is translated into English like to see something. And after this verb, we use also the accusative case, and the object after this verb answers the questions кого, что. So, we use this verb when you see naturally, without thinking about something, without thinking about that you want to look at it. So it's quite passive action, of course. You don't concentrate on the object. You just use your eyes. If you don't use your eyes, you are blind. And of course, we always can see that we use видеть all the time. Of course. Examples. Я вижу, что вы хороший человек. I see that you are a good person. And the second example. Что ты видел в Париже? What did you see in Paris? Of course, when you come to another city, you visit different parks, museums, restaurants, cafes, etc. If you want to ask a person about something definite, you can ask him, что ты смотрел в Париже? So it means which touristic places did you look at? But if I ask, что ты видел в Париже, it's just a general questions. It means that what did you see in the city? Not only touristic places, but general things that surround us. So, что ты видел в Париже? Я вижу, что вы хороший человек. Okay, I hope that the meaning of the verbs were clear for you. And now let's talk about the conjugation of these verbs. So, смотреть. It's the second conjugation. It's a regular verb. Это группа 2. This verb means to look and to watch. And how we change this verb in the present tense? Я смотрю. Ты смотришь. Он, она смотрит. Мы смотрим. Вы смотрите. Они смотрят. So, я смотрю. I watch. Ты смотришь. You watch. Он, она смотрит. He, she watches or looks. Мы смотрим. We watch. Вы смотрите. You plural or formal person. Watch, and они смотрят, they watch. Past tense will be absolutely regular, like он смотрел, она смотрела, and мы, вы, они смотрели. Смотрели. Хорошо. And another verb is видеть. Видеть means to see. It's also the second conjugation, группа 2. And here I want you to pay attention on the first person. Я вижу. So the letter D from infinitive changes into Ж. Я вижу. I see. Ты, but ты видишь. You see. So letter D is saved from the infinitive. Он, она видит. He, she sees. Мы видим. We see. Вы видите, you plural, see, or formal person, only one, polite form. И они видят, they see. And past tense will be absolutely normal for this verb, like он видел, она видела, мы, вы, они видели. So I hope that it's not very difficult for you. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that everything was clear for you. If you have any questions, please write me in comments. I will answer them, of course. And please don't forget to put your likes to my video. And if you want to thank me, you can make a donation by the link given in the description box. Большое вам спасибо. See you next time. До встречи. И пока-пока.